Today I just wanted to talk about detox a little bit. I feel like there is some conflicting data out there, some different points of view on if you need to detox and how you should do it. And I think if we lived in a pristine environment, then maybe it wouldn't be necessary, but most of us are exposed to environmental toxins in our life. And so it's a good idea to kind of have a measure of what kind of toxins you're taking in, and making sure that you're effectively relieving them. And so the simplest thing is that you want to make sure that you don't get constipated, because that's one way that you're then not eliminating things. So that's something that everyone can strive to achieve, which isn't, not doing a full detox, but just making sure that things are moving. And then just being aware of toxins that you are potentially taking in your environment and eliminating them. And, one good place to start is eating organic. Just making sure that you're not eating toxins, and then your body is able to eliminate them. If you have a clean diet and you're not constipated, that might be enough for some people. Now, other people might need to do more detox if you're going through any chronic infections, maybe, and you have a bacterial load, and your body's having to deal with the die-off reactions of that, and then you might need some supplements and things like that. And so there might be interest in those instances for coffee enemas and infrared saunas and different things like that to detox. So that might be appropriate in some cases, whereas in others, just eating a clean diet. Some people choose to do maybe an intermittent nutritional kind of detox, so just cutting out most foods, other than vegetables, for maybe one day, maybe a few days, maybe a week, just to kind of clear their body of toxins. But you do have to be aware of what you're putting on your skin, the cosmetics that you're using, the household things, what you're cooking things with, what you're storing your food in. There's so many different aspects, things in our environment that are affecting our bodies, that are, we're living in an age that's different than our ancestors. So we may have more of a need to detox at this time. And then there's more than just the physical. We are emotional and spiritual beings as well. And, maybe there's some mental detox that you need to do. Maybe meditation can help with that. Maybe you need to detox emotionally and work through some things. There's more than just the physical. And sleep. We detox in our sleep. And a lot of us aren't getting the amount of sleep that we need to be getting or should be getting, or, we don't have the best sleep habits. So starting with sleep habits is a good place to start on your path to detox without doing, any extreme measures. In future blogs, I can talk about, more strict things for detox if you are somebody that's, maybe dealing with Lyme disease or other things, and you are going through the die-off and you need to do, those detox methods. We can talk about those more in depth. But for everybody, a great starting point is just being aware of the toxins you're putting in your body, making sure that you're eliminating toxins. You can just do gentle things like Epsom salt baths to just kind of draw out some toxins. And sleep, working on your sleep hygiene, just putting habits into place so that you can get more effective sleep, get more sleep, a better quality. That really will just help your body to detox, because we do a lot of that while we're sleeping. Not eating right before bed is something that you can do that can help with that process, for example. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do that are just subtle, not drastic, that will help with the detox process. And then for some people, more in-depth things may be needed, and we can talk about those more specifically at a later point, because I'm going to go to the beach and get my feet in the sand to help with my detox process as well, being in nature. So see you next time.